Ever wondered why a ball bounces or how a drone maintains its flight? Well, brace yourselves for a fascinating journey through the world of physics, using everyday objects to unravel these mysteries. Firstly, consider a bouncing ball. It's not just child's play, it's a perfect demonstration of the laws of motion and energy conservation. When you drop a ball, it accelerates due to gravity, gaining speed until it hits the ground. The force of impact then causes the ball to deform, storing potential energy. This energy is rapidly released, propelling the ball upwards. The fascinating part is the ball never quite reaches the height from which it was dropped. Why? Because energy is lost during the bounce, primarily as heat. This is a practical example of energy conservation in action. Now imagine a spinning top. It's not just a toy, it's a physical embodiment of angular momentum. A spinning top remains upright due to the conservation of angular momentum. The faster it spins, the more angular momentum it has, and the harder it is to knock over. This is the same principle that keeps a bicycle stable when it's moving. Next, picture a drone hovering in the air. The physics behind it is a symphony of forces and motion. The propellers of the drone push air downwards, creating a force known as thrust. According to Newton's third law, for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. The air pushes back on the drone with an equal force, allowing it to rise or hover. Controlling the speed of each propeller allows the drone to move in any direction. These everyday objects, from a bouncing ball to a flying drone, are more than just simple items. They are physical manifestations of the laws of physics that govern our universe. Understanding them not only demystifies the world around us, but also fuels our curiosity and fosters a love for science. In summary, today we explored how a bouncing ball demonstrates energy conservation, how a spinning top embodies angular momentum, and how a drone showcases Newton's third law. These are just a few examples of how physics is intricately woven into our daily lives. So, the next time you see a ball bounce or a drone fly, remember, there's more than meets the eye. It's not just magic, it's physics. And with that, we leave you with a thought. Physics is not just in the realm of scientists, it's everywhere around us, in every object we interact with. Don't just observe it, understand it. Because understanding the physics of everyday objects makes the world a more fascinating place.